I know, the carpet has stuff on it. Thanks for pointing that out, Ellie. Yes. Tell Daddy, we need to clean the carpet. Okay, come in. Come in. Good job. Keep going. Keep going. Good job, Ellie. Yay. Good job. She will make it across the floor pretty quick once she gets motivated to go. So she will turn 6 months next week. Yes, Denise, you're excited too.